Right there. There's a bunch of them behind you, bro. Good morning. Look at that sunrise. Whew. The king is around. Good morning, everybody. We're out here again, lower Matlacha Pass. Lower part of Pine Island. It's hot. Water temps 86.5. Joined out here today with my buddy Sean, Red Dog. Check him out. He's got some killer topwaters and some killer jigs. I hope that was just the dolphin. We've had some tarpon around. There's also a dolphin cruise around, just annoying. But gonna see what we can get into before the storms start stacking up. Keeping an eye on the radar, keeping an eye on the clouds around us, because you don't want to get caught out here with your pants down. Lightning is not something to play with. Strong weather is not something to play with. Don't go past your limits, because that's when problems start to occur, and that's when you get in trouble. Thank you guys again for watching. Give a like, a comment, and subscribe if you can. Helps the channel grow. We're gonna cruise around, play with some tarpon, see what we can find. Like, oh my god, there was one right there. I don't know if you guys seen it roll. That thing was a dinosaur. So I'm gonna quit talking and get to walking. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the water. Where'd you go, bro? Go around this large NLBN for a little bit. Make it skip across like a mullet. Oh, I got that one weekend. Got a big school of pilchards coming up right here. It might get a little interesting. Alright, we're taking off this mullet thing. It's not really doing what I want it to do. It's cool and all. Kind of gimmicky. Some people live and die by the NLBN. I think they're expensive for what they are, but they do work at times. I'm gonna try. Oh, look, there's a dinosaur right there. I'm gonna try. Look, there's one right there. We're gonna try this new purple topwater from Red Dog. Nice little purple sheen to it. Ooh, almost got myself. First catch would have been me. Makes a lot of noise, that's good. Well, we acquired a ladyfish, so we're ahead of the game right now, but we're behind the ball because we already missed a bunch of opportunities. But we'll just drag this ladyfish behind, see what happens. Hope the taxman doesn't come around and take it. Hopefully the taxman and go see Sean. Sean's all about the sharks. Seems like all the tarpon have been around the oyster bars, doing donuts around the oyster bars. Just rolling laps. They're staying in like 6 to 10 foot of water. Some of them are working in pods, some of them are solitary. I think the most we saw this morning in a pod was 6. But I haven't seen anything since I had to retie everything. Break out the fish whistle here in a minute. Come on. Yeah. It feels sharky. I figured it'd happen. No jumps. Oh, it gone. So water visibility, of course, again, not great. Little good. It's got some better sections. At least you can see the bottom here. If you know the spot, you know the spot. Summertime, rainy season, we're getting all the fresh water pushing out. Changes the visibility in this area for sure, because it all flushes out the Caloosahatchee. Charlotte Harbor comes through, ends up going down there to Sanibel, passing by the lighthouse. This area doesn't flush a lot of the fresh water too much unless we get some good tides to flush the whole pass, but this time of year it's going to be dirty. You got to change your baits. You're able to get away with different size leader, which is good, so you can use a chunkier leader to keep those larger snook on, because the visibility is chopped. But tarpon has seemed to move on. They broke up. They're patched out here and there. I haven't seen any in a little bit. I saw a couple right here doing donuts, but they moved on. So I'm looking for snook and trout and some red right now. Just enjoying being on the water. We got a proper fish. It's a little snook. No, it's a little red. Oh, calm down, little guy. Little red, multiple spots. Wow, that is some cool. Look at that. He's got an alien face. He is 11 inches. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little spots. Be free! Oh, this way. Come with me. It's okay. You can just keep coming with me. Boom! Take him. Red Dog Jig Head, Wise Guys Kicking Scrimp. $24. Two dots. Beautiful. Send you on your way. Boom. Got a little shark coming in. Maybe he'll shoot down there to Sean. Sean's been looking for one all day. He just jumped a tarpon a little bit ago. I didn't get it on camera, but it was like a 4.5, 5 footer. Grabbed his ladyfish, hit the air. We both looked, and it was gone. It was still awesome. We got freaking sea potatoes. And I'm in like 2.8 foot of water. Elon, your vicious submarines are here. Call them back. So I just shut off the camera. But now I turned it back on because the sea potato's coming in hot. He's right there. I'm gonna try to mosey this way. I don't want to deal with your fat self. We got a flyby and we got a submarine cruise by. Don't get. Oh, he's a whopper. But he counts. Little baby snook. 2 reds, 1 snook, 2 mangroves, a kitty cat, and losing a ladyfish to the taxman. Worried about this sea potato. It's moving in on me. It's hot. Tide's really not moving too much. We're just posting out in different spots. He's looking around over at that point right now, seeing if he can find a shark. I keep finding pockets of mullet and looking for reds mixed in with them. So far I got 2 reds and 2 little snook. I need to get 2 more, well, 2 little trout, and I can get a double slam. But having a good day. It's all kinds of bait everywhere. You got larger pilchards, you got some little glass minnows, so you got mullet out there. Mullet are all over the place. I mean, just swarms of mullet. Match the hatch, as they say. Well, this will be my 3rd snook of the day. All of them being ginormous like this. I got trying to find me a few more redfish tucked up in the school. But it's hot. Don't go in there. No, sir. Come with me. Ooh. Oh, and you came off. That's a big red. Bait is around. Probably gonna start running back in. I don't like the look of those two. They look like they could give us some trouble. Especially that one. Well, that's gonna probably cut it for today. On the way back, it's 11 o'clock. It's probably gonna take me about an hour and a half probably to get back. It's just hot. Water temp right now is 89 and some change. It's ridiculous. Dragging a ladyfish on the way back, see what happens to it. About 6-7 little trout or little snook. 2 reds, one a little itty bitty guy with a bunch of spots, the other one decent 24. Lost another red, probably in the mid 20s. Haven't found any trout, probably because it's so hot. Seen some taxman, had one hooked up, he broke the line off. Sean jumped a tarpon earlier on lady, that was cool, but as soon as it jumped, it shook and it was gone. So, but thank you guys again for watching. Give a like, a comment, and subscribe if you can. It helps the channel grow. And I'll see you guys on the water. Thank you.